everybody. I want to make a quick video talking about the awesome Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation. This stuff is a miracle in a bottle, for reals. It's so great. So I'm going to just give you just a quick video of how to apply it, and you can see how awesome it is. I've already prepped my face with that glorious face and eye primer, which I highly recommend. It's great. Keeps your makeup in place all day. Feels like velvet going on. This stuff is really great. And then I've also already put on my Mineral Touch concealer. My concealer and foundation are both in the color Scarlet, which is the lightest color that there is. But all the concealers and foundation colors are the same name. So anyway, so I've got that concealer on. You can see that like my skin has some redness and unevenness. So I'm going to show you how this works, okay? So the foundation comes in a dropper bottle, and I'm going to be using our Powder Puff brush. There's also a new foundation brush, which I haven't gotten it yet, but I hear amazing things about it. Here it's a high recommend, so check that out too. But this is Younique's Powder Puff brush. You take it, I'm going to put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. 5 drops out of this bottle. This bottle will last forever. I have been using this bottle for almost 3 months now, and it's not empty yet. So you see that on there? So you're going to go and you're just going to dab it around. Okay, it looks super funky. But once you get it dabbed around, you start swirling. And you'll see that coverage covering up my red, evening up my skin tone. The 5 drops cover my entire face. Let it down under your neck, always. So I want to have a makeup line on your jawline. And that's it. I'm going to brush. It's totally dry. Dry. Makeup is all on my face. None of it is wasted. So I'm going to pick up my phone here. You can see. You can tell I haven't done anything to my eyes. So you can see how like they're discolored a little bit, you know, because I haven't done anything. But you can see how awesome my face color looks. So highly recommend this product. I'm going to be telling you a lot more about it. This is our top selling product right now. It's fantastic. Check it out.